Welcome back, fourth graders. We're going to move on to a little bit more advanced problem. So we're going to go slow and take our time with this problem. Get your paper and pencil ready. We're going to start with the problem 1,325. So let's write that down. 1,325 divided by 9. Okay, so this is where we have to think big. We want to get close to 1,325, but we're using 9's facts. So we have to think about, for a partial quotient, how we can get there. Now, we've used this strategy in the last couple problems. If we said 100 times 9, everybody should be able to do that one. Think about 109 times. That gives us a product of 900. Let's try that. That'll get us somewhat closer. So let's try 100. Write that on the outside. Times 9 is 900. Go ahead and write your 900 down here, but make sure you line up your columns. Okay, and we're going to subtract that from 1,325. Okay, let's do that together. 5 minus 0, you got it. Write it down as 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. Good. We can't do 3 minus 9, so we're going to go to our neighbor of the thousands. We're going to take one away. That leaves them with 0. You gave the hundreds 10. They had 3 already, so that's 13. Good job. Okay, and now let's subtract 13 minus 9. 4. So now we have a difference of 425. Can we make that 4 a little better? Okay. Now, we want to get close to 425. But again, we're thinking about 9's facts. So we know that 9 times 10 is 90. So if we did 20 times 9, I'm going to, over here on the side, I'm going to think about this. 20 times 9 would give me, sorry about the messy handwriting, 180, right? Okay, that's getting there, but not quite. So 10 times 9 is 90. If we did 30 times 9, it would be, use that little magic trick, 3 times 9 is 27, right? Equals 27, add a 0, 270. Hey, we're getting closer. What if we did 40 times 9? Okay, let's write it down just to see. Use that magic trick. 4 times 9, or 9 times 4 is 36. Add the 0 at the end. That's just a fast way. You could write it on your paper. 40 times 9 other ways and add it up. Okay, and then you get 360. That's pretty close. Let's give that a whirl. 360. We're going to subtract that. Okay, I use this side area over here. I'm going to point with my arrow to kind of work out some multiplication facts so I could kind of get close to 425. I wanted to see how close I could get, and I think 360 is probably the closest right now for me. All right, so I'm going to subtract that. 5 minus 0 is 5. I can't do 2 minus 6. I'm going to go over to the hundreds, take one away. That's 3. I give them 10. 10 and 2 is 12. So let me write that down. 12 take away 6 is 6. Okay, we have 65. Now, one thing we didn't write down was we didn't write down our 40 over here. We got to write that down because we multiplied by 40 to get 360. 9 times 40 is 360. So make sure we record that on the side because it took a little work to get that part. Now, that's why this problem's a little bit more challenging. Now we have 65 left over. I'm sure we can use a 9's fact to get close. Now, if we can get exactly to it, then we'll have a remainder of 0. But I don't think that's going to work in this case. So let's do 9 times 10 is 90. That's too much. Let's go down. 9 times 8 is 72. Nope, that's too much. 9 times 7 is 63. Ooh, that's close. Yeah, let's do it. So right here, 7 on the side. 63. Ooh, we're running out of room again. Subtract. I'm going to write my remainder over here. 5 minus 3 is 2. Remainder 2. Holy moly. Okay. The only thing we have left to do is to circle our numbers to figure out our answer or quotient. Let's add up. 100 plus 40 plus 7. Go ahead and do that now. You probably can already do it in your head. You got it, 147. So let's write that down. 147 remainder of 2. All right. Great job, boys and girls. Now remember, if this one was a little challenging for you, it's okay. The more and more we practice partial quotients, the better we get every day. So don't be frustrated. Keep up the hard work.